China's reforms in the late 1990s and early 2000s helped change the face of the country's economy. 2 decades of explosive growth have fueled the rapid modernization of China's military. By the 2020s, the People's Liberation Army already possesses more ships, aircraft, and combat vehicles than the Taiwanese military. Unable to compete directly with China, Taiwan changed its strategy. Instead of direct confrontation, Taiwan's goal is to prevent and delay a potential invasion. Taiwan has developed a huge missile arsenal, one of which is the Thunderbolt 2000. Thunderbolt 2000 or Léitíng 2000 is a weird MLRS system manufactured by the National Chung-Shan Institute of Science and Technology. Developed by Taiwan to replace the aging Kung Feng VI 117mm multiple launch rocket system, Thunderbolt 2000 was created with the intention of attacking enemy forces when disembarking from sea. The Thunderbolt 2000 system was first introduced in 1997 and entered service with the Taiwanese military in 2011. Initially, the weapon system was originally placed on the chassis of a M977 heavy expanded mobility tactical truck. It was later replaced by the MAN HX81 8x8-wheel truck, with the first order batch including 57 launchers and 54 ammunition reloader vehicles. The hull and chassis features a forward cab and rear set flatbed to which the launcher component is seated. The launcher is given full 360-degree curvature with built-in elevation capability, allowing the unit to aim in the direction of fire without the vehicle having to be turned. The 8x8 wheel arrangement is divided into 2 sections of 2 axle each. To displace weight and support legs are lowered prior to firing to help stabilize the vehicle. The launcher unit is modular and can support variable warhead types depending on missions. This includes 3 types of rockets: Mark 15, Mark 30, and Mark 45. The mark number of each rocket type indicates the maximum range in kilometers: 15, 30, and 45 kilometers, respectively. According to Taiwan News, Taiwan has a new variant which has a range of 100 kilometers and will likely be transferred to the Army for deployment once it passes tests. There is no official confirmation on whether this latest MLRS has entered production or is still in the developmental phase. Due to increasing threats, Taiwan has developed more advanced versions of the existing family of rockets with increased ranges. With a range of 200 to 300 kilometers, the new munitions are able to reach China from Taiwan's mainland. My video about the Thunderbolt 2000 ends here. Thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, please give me your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Goodbye and see you again in the next videos. Tạm biệt và hẹn gặp lại quý vị các bạn trong các video tiếp theo.